morning! Today is August 29. Nag-grocery tayo. And ipakita ko sa inyo kasi gusto kong i-recreate. Kung maalala nyo kagabi, di ba nag-dinner kami sa The Barn. And in order kong entree is yung scallop na mayroong prosciutto. So i-recreate ko siya. Sana magawa ko kasi sobrang sarap talaga ng scallop dun sa The Barn. So wala lang yan, na-share ko lang sa inyo. Baga yung grocery ko ngayon kasi galing ako sa school ni Holly. Hinatid ko yung pang-swimming niya kasi kung maalala yung kagabi, diba dun sila natulog kila Auntie Mel. And whole week yung swimming nila Holly. So yung swimsuit niya na yun lang ang required na dapat gamitin, pinapatuloy namin kahapon dun sa may fireplace. So kaya hindi niya nadala yung kila Auntie Mel. So hinatid ko kanina sa school and nag-gym din ako. Pero hindi ako nag-vlog guys. And diretso ako dito para mag-grocery. And after dito, babalik ako sa house kasi ipuput away ko to. Then balik ulit ako dito sa town kasi may dancing si Holly. So yun, hindi ako nag-vlog. Ito lang yung na-vlog ko ngayong araw. So isabay ko na lang to sa mga upcoming vlogs or yung vlog kahapon. So yun guys. So sana maging successful yung pag-recreate ko dun sa scallop nila na may prosciutto kasi sobrang sarap. Kahit si Jang gustong gusto niya. So yun guys. Tapusin ko na itong pag-grocery para makauwi na ako kasi babalik ulit ako dito sa town. Kumuha pala ako ng truffle paste kasi kung maalala nyo, nung nasa Pinas kami, gustong gusto ni Kuya yung truffle pasta sa mga restaurants na pinupunta namin. So ayan, gagawin ko rin si Kuyang truffle pasta. And bumili rin ako nitong truffle spice. Ayan. So yan guys. Okay, bayad na ako.
I just don't get it.
What?
Because all the people at school all my friends at school have the exact same swimwears at me. Like, do you know that blue crop top one? Yeah, my friend Ruby has it, and then, you know, Maya, she had the flower ones.
Does she?
Yes.
So, ito pala yung truffle sauce. And, nagpo-fried chicken tayo dyan. Chicken. So, ayan na yung request ni Kuya na truffle pasta with chicken fingers. So, ayan yung dinner namin. Good morning! Happy Saturday! Today is August 31st. And yung mga bata, wala silang footy. Bye nila this weekend. Asan na si Zach? Ang lamig guys. Where's Zachary? And ang lakas ng hangin. And we are going to? We're gonna go to Bunnings guys. Ayan yung kanyang outfitan. Dala niya yung aking Stanley. And may dala rin siyang LCM na yung rice bubbles na banana flavor, that one. And yung kanyang buhok guys, sobrang ang galing kasi hanggang ngayon okay pa din. Ayaw niya pa rin niyang ipatanggal. Magsi-September na. So ayan, matagal din kasi yan tanggalin guys. Ilang oras ko daw yan tanggalin, sabi nung nagawa niyan sa Bali sa kanya. It's heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you put ice in it?
Yeah, of course. And si Jan, hinahanap yung measurement ata kasi nag-measure siya dun sa aking soon to be my garden. Okay? We're all good? Okay, let's go. Ay, may kagat na naman si Holly. Di ba nag-slip over siya sa nila Auntie Mel? Ayan, meron na naman siya. Nag-blister na naman yung kagat ng lamok. Okay.
It's a mosquito.
Mosquito nga. Yeah, mosquito, lamok. Okay. We have to hold this. So, yung car nga ni Jan ang dadalhin namin. Yung isa, yung pangtrabaho niya. Okay. Oh, nag-bloom na yung mga bulaklak dito. Kanina, akala ko, naka-on yung camera natin. Mayroong pinapakita sa inyo. Doon malapit sa namin, doon sa apricot tree. Gagawa ko doon ng garden, guys. Kaya pupunta kami sa Bunnings. Titingin kami kung ano yung pwede naming mabili doon. Kasi may gusto ako, may peg akong gustong ipagawa kay John na garden. So, hindi naman gano'n na gano'n, pero at least similar doon sa gusto ko ipagawa sa kanya. Ayan. siya. Mahangin. Siniswing ang car namin ng hangin. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. How are you kids? Say good morning. Kuya. Zach. Yeah. Ang lamig ng ating tubig dyan. May pa-body bag yan si Holly dyan. Nice, no, Baba?
Yes.
Doon daw muna kayo dito sa BCF, Bagang Bunnings. Hindi na pala kami sasama kasi may pipick upin lang daw siya dito. What's that?
Aircon time.
What? Automotive, what's that, hon?
That is an air conditioning.
For what? Aircon for...
Right, just a minute.
Where are you gonna put the aircon, hon?
Because the one in here is stuffed.
This one?
Let me try filling it up.
Ah, aircon daw para sa car niya. Alright.
That's the main reason I bought this. I have air conditioning for the summer because I haven't had air conditioning in my ute for about 5 years. I'm sick of it. I want air conditioning when it's hot.
Yeah, so yung may aircon siya pero hindi siya ganun kaayos daw na gumagana kaya bumili siya ng bago para maganda ang aircon niya ngayong parating na summer. Kaya niya binenta yung isa niya kasi wala na yung aircon kasi kapanahon pa yun ni Kopong. How old the other car had? How old you had that? 13 years? Huh?
Yeah,
13 years niya yung car. So ngayon bumili siya, kapalit nun, papalitan niya yung aircon para bonggang aircon niya this coming summer. Dito muna tayo sa Mais at 10, Bagang Bunnings. Kasi tingin din tayo dito kung anong makikita natin na pwedeng magamit doon sa sa ating pag-garden na gusto natin. We haven't been here for so long, huh? We haven't been here. I haven't been. Ah, brand new pala to, guys. Ito ang bago nila. Bago pala to. Kasi dati nasa ito, Main Street. Alright, ito yung garden station. Siya, garden na talaga ako doon. Where's the veggies, son? Tingin kami dito. Yeah.
keeps it heated there, it's warm, tin and
For my garden, kuya. So, tingin-tingin muna kami. Pero wala na yung iba dito eh. Which one? No, we don't need small. Wala na yung iba. Ha? Apricot? A net, babe. Saki wants a net for the apricot. We had?
No, it was near the gate, the thing. Oh, there's more here.
Mm-hmm. So, sabi ko, pili na kayo ng vegetables nyo.
Put it in the bag.
Strawberry. Punta na kami ng Bunnings. Thank you. I know, that's big. Bunnings, meron silang sausage dun, oh. Pili si Jan. I have to wear my power up. Yes, I do. Yes, I do have a power. Kasi sabi ko kay Jan, mamaya na raw kami magsasausage. Sabi ko kay Jan, yung mata ni Jan, napaka-blue ngayon. Tapos, naalala ni Sak noon, nag-contact lens akong blue. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, Ma'am, can you turn your eyes to blue? Sabi ko, no, I don't wear my power today. Sabi niya, no, you can't because you don't have the power. Huh? You want, okay, ready? But I have to hold something, so, like concentrate.
Oh my god, no you don't.
I know. I have to concentrate to turn it blue. At the moment, it's too noisy in this area, so I can't.
No, it's not even, it's quiet.
Dito na yan, ano. Dito na tayo sa garden area. Tingin tayo ng garden bed. Sana meron sila dito yung gusto ko. Hindi namin mahanap yung garden bed dito sa Bunnings. So sabi ni Jan, tiningnan niya raw online. Ang dami. Baka online lang. Na? Wala oh. Wala. Sabi niya sa akin, wala. Maybe we have to ask. Eto yung mga wala nga. Na? I don't know. Come on. You see that? Nawawala na rin sila dyan. Hinahanap din kasi nila. Pumasok kami kasi wala sa labas. Lamig pa naman sa labas. Nagtanong kami, sabi nasa labas daw. Sabi ni Jan, nilibot na namin. Hindi namin nakita yun. So, mag-round ulit tayo. Mag-round ulit tayo doon. Dito pala guys, sa cafe. Dito sa may cafe. So, lalabas pa rin tayo. Wala naman dyan. Galing na tayo dyan. Sa likod daw ng cafe. Galing na kami dito. You see it, Zach? Na? Not that one. No, that's not the one. Saan naman yung sinasabi ni Kuya? Ayan yung cafe, oh.
Leave some more.
Ito yung isang klase ng garden bed. Yung may stand. Hindi ito yung hinahanap namin. Tinawag na naman ni Jan. Pasok na naman kami. Eto pala. Nasa box. Nasa box. Ay, ang cute nun, oh. So, i-assemble mo. So, ito yung mga parts. So, i-assemble mo pa. Yeah, gusto niyang tingnan kung anong itsura. Kasi iba pa rin daw yung nasa picture kaysa actual. The chair. This one. It's plastic. It is. It's garden gloves. What size? They're all large. Maybe it's too big.
It'll back up there.
Okay, we'll go there again. Dito ako sa garden tools. Ayan, marami dito. Iba-iba pang kulay. O, iba. Pagpipilian, hindi ko alam kung ano yung maganda or best na pang garden. Ito, large to. Large ang size niya. Okay naman siya. Ito, may ano siya, light. Etong isa. Pero hindi ko alam kung tatagal siya. Or ako ba tatagal sa garden. Baka mauna pa ako sumuko kaysa gloves. So, ito, ano siya, rubber. Tapos dito, cloth. Ito naman, para siyang rubber na may tela. So, hindi ko alam. Si Jan, may tinitingnan din kasi si Jan. So, not sure kung alin. Pero at least nasukat natin. Ano kaya? Ito kayang dalawa? Kasi iba yung ano niya, iba yung texture niya. Siguro para pag nilabhan ko yung isa, may kapalit, no? Ah, not sure. But yeah, pareho ko sila gusto. Yung pink, medyo tight sa akin. Yung ito. Sana, ayan, medyo tight siya. Anong size ba nito? Clean River yung brand. Pareho sila ng brand nito. Ah, iba. Ah, yeah, pareho yung brand. Pero iba yung brand. Babe, ano yan? Han! Han! Kanina pinakita ko to sa inyo. Maganda siya, pero para hindi siya practical. Feeling ko mabilis siyang mapunit. Kasi hindi siya ganun kakapal. Manipis siya.
Which one?
Which one? Hindi rin siya makapili. So, merong isang babae, mag-asawa, na ito raw yung gamit niya. Ito raw ang gamit niya. Para sa kanya maganda raw to. Tapos nag-try din siya. Sabi niya, I will stick to this one. Kasi gamit niya na raw to. So, kuha ko nito and etong isa.
Can I get one?
No, you can't just get that one. Kasi hindi ka naman talaga mag-garden. So, it's not lead. I think this one, baby. You have the same with mommy. Okay? So, ayan. We'll see kung sino maglalas, ako o yung gloves sa garden.
You know, I always see what you're doing.
Yeah. Meron akong nakitang ano, guys. Ito. Yung, fork digging. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung kailangan namin to. Asa ka si Johnny Boy. Ayan, magaan lang siya. Magaan lang siya pang ganun-ganun. Sus, maglalas ba ako sa garden? Sana naman. May piko. Etong piko. Hindi ganito. Yung isa meron pero mabigat yun. Ito marunong ako nito. Kasi diba, nung elementary, may garden na subject. Gardening. Ayan. Gamit namin to. Tapos naalala ko noon, nagkakapaltos-paltos yung kamay namin ng mga classmate namin. Kasi, basta may days na gardening lang talaga. Ganun ang pinanggaling. But yeah, hindi ko sure kung kukuha kami nito. Ask natin si Johnny Boy. Asan na si Daddy, nak? Busy pa rin siya mag-fit. Ha? Is it comfortable? Do this. Is it comfortable, Baba? Alright.
See, I got there.
Push it in. Push it in. Okay. Nag-sausage na tayo. Thank you with onions.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
I'll go and get another one.
Yep.
Okay.
First time ko ulit makatikim ng sausage since nang bumalik tayo. Thank you!
Wow.
Si Saki di siya kumuha kasi nag-hope siya na merong sushi sa malapit doon sa Big W. Dito pa sa marketplace. Dito tayo sa food court. Come on. They have? Happy siya, meron sushi. Ayan, sushi come. Ooh, which one you want? Oh. The seaweed. Favorite niya yung seaweed. Ay, parang gusto ko din. Meron din silang baby roll, oh. Ha? What do you want? Just a small one. Mag-ulis daw muna kami. Kasi iti-take away na lang yung sushi ni Sak. Kita niyo yung coffee niya, oh. kukuha si Kuya ng babaunin niya sa Monday. Meron naman sa bahay pero gusto niyang kumuha ng lollies. Kasi sa Monday guys, ay ang ingay. Mamaya na lang sa bahay.
That's not vanilla ice cream.
That's the original. Yeah, that's the vanilla. Yan na lang original.
It's not that one.
On the floor.
Teenager thing.
One or two. You like these?
Nah, it's alright, but I'm not eating now. Han, your twirl, Han.
Yeah, I want to put water.
You want that one? Okay. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's alright. First time namin ulit mag-grocery na kaming lahat. Sama-sama. Wala grocery na ako. May kinukuha lang kasi si Kuya dito. And ayan. Down there, please. Yes, my orange. What's that? Have you tried that? Okay. Gusto niyang may apple pa doon sa bahay. Kasi di ba nag-grocery ako? Pero may gusto niya raw yun. And ito naman ang gusto niya. And ginger. Garlic and ginger. May nakita siya na kakilala niya. Ayan, chika-chika sila. Dahil bigla ang grocery to, ayan, kuha tayo ng bag. Bili tayo ng bag kasi hindi natin dala yung bag natin. So, bumili kami ng 3 bags. Kasi yung 2 puno na. Kakaiba tong bag nila kasi merong pa shoulder bag. Sa Kohl's wala eh. Ah, okay. Wait, Sak! Give it to Daddy. Bili si Jan ng dito. Burgers. Ah, kuya. Which one you want? Ah, that one?
But I want them one.
Jan bumibili doon ng iniwan namin. Dito tayo kasi yung 2 ang gusto nila. Okay, let's go. Thank you.
Where is that?
In the car. Nauna na sila dyan eh. Ayan na yung aming nasa labas. Sana wag umulan yung pinamili natin sa Woolies. Ang lamig si Jan. May nakita naman siyang kakilala niya. Ayan, nag-uusap sila. Oh, it's freezing. And ito yung nabili niya.
Mini
Na burgers. So yung akin ay ito yung spicy prawns. Kay Zachary schnitzel. Is it schnitzel, right? There's schnitzel. And kay Holly chicken avocado. And meron si Zach na seaweed dito.
I got chicken avocado.
Bahay na kami guys. Ayan na. Inulan na kami. Ang pangit ng weather sa labas. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Ang lakas ng hangin. Parang may bagyo na dito. Sumuulan na din ang lamig. Kaya, gamit ko guys yung yung malaking camera, yung A7C. Sige, hold ko yung aking, yung mga, yeah, I know.
I was wearing these shorts under my pants.
Alright. Put this one there, Baba, please. So, ito yung mga nabili natin sa Woolies. So, hindi ako nag-grocery sa Woolies. Alam niyo naman, Kohl's tayo. Pero, kanina, kasi nga, malapit lang din sa Bunnings. Ah, sorry. Na-cover ko daw siya. So, unahin natin ito yung ilagay ko muna ito sa ref air. What do you call this burger, Han?
Crystals.
Ha?
Crystals.
Rissoles. So, ayan. Kasi hindi siya yung flat burgers. Ito naman rissoles. So, ito mas gusto ni Jan siya. Mas gusto niya yung ako magpipress nito. Ilagay ko muna ito sa fridge.
And then when we got to Bunnings, we got our gardening gloves. These ones are mine, because I'm going to help my mom.
Yeah, sana talaga. Hindi ko mapakita sa inyo yung itsura ng garden namin na gagawin. Ano siya, messy siya guys. Maraming tatanggalin doon. So, ayan yung mga nakuha natin sa Bunnings na gloves. Mga ano ata, 14? Basta less than $15 lang to.
And we got...
And kay Holly, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko nakita kung magkano yung kanyang gloves. Alright.
And we got your Colts.
Yes, Yakult. Ito yung Yakult na gusto ko. Yung katulad sa atin, yung Yakult talaga ang pangalan. Mas gusto kasi nila yung Coles brand na ano, na tawag nun, Yakult. Eh, hindi ko yun gusto. Sila gusto nila yun. So, kumuha ko ng, first time nila matatry yung Yakult ng Woolies. And prosciutto. Ayan. Meron pa ako dyan yung nabili ko. Hindi ko pa nagagamit. Pero ito kasi, feeling ko magagamit ko siya or makakain ko siya this week. Kasi, nasa ano ako guys, nasa yung mga kinakain ko ngayon, hindi tulad ng dating nasa Bicol tayo ma-rice. Hindi. So, parang bacon, aside sa bacon, ito yung itatry ko. Kasi nga, di ba sabi sa inyo, gustong-gusto ko yung scallop. So, mayroon pa akong scallop dyan, hindi ko pa nagagawa. But, baka mamaya yun ang gawin ko. Mag-scallop ako, tapos ibalot ko dito sa prosciuttong yan.
And then orange and mango
ibang brand naman to, Thomas Ducks. Yung prosciutto. Yung isa, yung sa Coles, iba din. So, i-try natin yan. Yung isa, na-try ko na yun, yung sa Coles.
And we got orange and mango juice.
Yeah, kauubos lang yung, di ba, nag-grocery ako. Ayan, kauubos lang nila. So, may bago ulit tayo. Baba, we have to put that in the fridge.
And your Colts.
Ilagay ko na diretso kasi. And coffee ni John. Kumuha siya ng 4 nito. Hala, we have to remove this, Baba. Ito. Wala na. Empty to. Malinis to. Linagay ko lang dito kasi pa nag-ano ko ng fruits. And Yakult. I have another Yakult there, Baba.
And we got more iced coffees for Daddy.
Iced coffee.
And we got...
And yung eggs.
And we got...
Kasi wala. Puno na naman ang rest
thickened cream.
Thickened cream, yes. Thickened cream.
That bag's empty.
Oh, we got cream back.
Yes, I have cream, Han. Why? Yeah, I
And
just...
then-
Oh, para sa dessert niya.
For
Okay ba
Dad.
yung, ano natin, camera? Sabi ni Jan sa mga bagay. Kasi pag bumibili ako nito, hindi nakikita ni Jan. Hindi siya nakakatikim. So sabi niya kanina sa Woolies, nakikita niyo ba to? Walang gagalaw nito. Kuha kayo ng sarili niyong loli. So, kay Jan lang yan yung caramel cola. Yeah. And then, eto yung twirl. Eto favorite ko yung twirl. Si Jan din. Lagay natin ito sa ref kasi mainit dito sa ating...
Can't forget Dad's crumpets.
Oh,
With
yeah.
the
The crumpets for breakfast.
Yeah, we got 3-color capsicums.
Yeah, capsicum. Kasi pwede ko rin itong kainin alone with cheese or cottage cheese.
Mommy, what does this say?
What's that one? Brussels.
Baby Brussels sprouts.
Yeah, so ito yung aking mga kinakain ngayon, guys.
Oh, yeah, I
More
see
in
the
veggies
other
and protein. Yung
I see
meat.
the other color.
You see it?
And we got the broccoli original.
Hmm?
These are different, aren't they? Are they?
Yeah, Pro-Life Original. So
Mommy,
ito yung brand ng Woolies.
more iced coffees. I mean, there's more iced coffees for Daddy.
And sisa kumuha nito naman kay Mr. Beast na chocolate.
Mr. Beast, yeah.
Ayan. Masarap siya pero hindi ako muna kumakain nito. So
I
yung twirl, I will.
I got bubble gum and a beef turkey stick.
Dahil inoff na namin yung ref doon sa labas. Ayaw na yung ni dyan. Eto dito. Ayun, puno na.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Para dun sa ginawa kong Gagawa ulit ako na yung
Lemon.
i-grill ko siya with cheese and lemon. Ayan. Gumawa ko kahapon. Insert ko na lang.
Can't forget about your 2 cheese.
Huh?
Can't forget about your 2 cheese.
Yeah, this is the double brie. Ito naman, creamy, triple cream brie. So, favorite ni Kuya to. And si Kuya, gusto yung ginawa ko nung kahapon.
Yes, I got gingerbread.
Na parang ano siya.
Gingerbread
yeah. No, that's not gingerbread. Ginger lang.
Ginger.
Okay, what else? We have another bag.
Yeah.
Garlic, apples.
I'll put the apples away.
And, ayan, bumili tayo ng bag, diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, kasi nga, wala naman sa plano mag-grocery. Kasi grocery ko lang ito lang nakaraan. Ilang araw pa lang. Hindi ko pa nahiwa yung, yung may chicken breast ako dyan na kailangan kong i-separate sa bag. Ihiwain ko pa sila. Gagawin ko siyang schnitzel na maliliit. Yung tama lang para sa kids na pambaon-baon. And may beef din ako dyan na gagawin. Na i-slice ko. Mamaya gawin ko yun. Maganda yung din nila kasi may paganito siya. Oh.
Where I put these, Mom?
May paganito. There, Baba. May. Parang si Eddie, Baba. Like Eddie.
Yes,
Ice cream.
Eddie's ice cream.
Yung sa Bali. We have another bag.
This is our last bag.
This is our last bag. So what's in here? Who's this?
Daddy.
Daddy. Tim Tam. Tim Tam.
Mom, can you put the bag?
It's alright. And si Kuya, yun. Ang dahilan ng pagpunta namin sa Woolies is para kumuha ng snacks ni Kuya na gusto niya, na dadali niya sa Adelaide. Kasi napili si Kuya na maglaro sa Adelaide ng footy. So parang, is it 1-day trip lang, Kuya?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1-day trip sa Monday. Alis sila, tapos balik din sila sa Monday. So maglalaro sila. Where you gonna play, Kuya?
Adelaide.
Yeah, what school?
I don't know.
You don't know. But parang nasa college, right? College area?
Yeah.
Yeah, so basta.
We got popcorn.
So, doon si Kuya maglalaro. Hindi kami sasama kasi nga may school bus sila. May bus sila for the team. So,
And Kuya TJ.
Kuya TJ. Etong babaunin ni Kuya.
And his
Tapos yung short bread cream. Dadalhin niya yan. Pero ilalagay ko sa Ziploc.
also Kuya TJ.
This is Kuya TJ as well. Cream Oreo.
This is ours.
This is your shapes. Okay.
The chicken flag.
And bumili ako ng Q-tips. And si Kuya, magdadala siya nito. So, hindi ako bumibili nito. Not unless may party sa bahay. Pero pag regular grocery, hindi ako kumukuha nito kasi sugary na siya.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter kasi pure sugar siya. Pero si Kuya kasi gusto niya yan at dadali niya sa kanyang laro. Okay lang. Kailangan niya ng energy. And kumuha ko ng Kubram na truffle infused. Alam niyo naman si Kuya nahilig sa
Kuya
truffle pasta or any like, yeah.
Kuya
So, kumuha ko niya.
TJ's deodorant and that's Dad's.
And yeah, Quantum for John, Rexona, Sports Fresh. So yan yung mga nabili namin. So yan lang naman. So yung dinner tonight is yun nga, magbo-burger tayo, mashed potato, and carrots and peas, right, Han? Where's the dessert? May ice cream pala kami yung binili. Nilagay na ni Sak sa freezer. And si Sak wala, nag-write siya ng ng bite. May kumatok kasi. So yan, lemon. Okay, i-put away ko lang to, guys. Sana okay tong ating camera. Yes, baby. So yan. Kasi yung camera ko to.
Mash anymore.
Huh?
Chips.
Chips? Oh, we're just gonna have chips, Han?
Yeah, but you gotta have it ready before.
Yeah, so I have to cook your dinner around 4:30. So 4:30. Ano pa lang naman, guys? 2:20. Maaga kami sa town kanina, umaga. Tapos yun, may mga pinuntahan lang kaya medyo hapon na tayo nakarating. So, sana maganda yung ating camera, guys, kasi yan na muna gagamitin ko pag nasa bahay lang. Tapos pag nasa labas, gagamitin ko yung DJI, yung Pocket 2, and yung aking nagloloko-loko na G7X. So yun, pag sa bahay, eto siguro, kaya iba siguro yung kulay ng ating video sa para edit tayo. So yun. Okay, update ko na lang kayo mami kung anong gagawin namin sa dinner. Alam niyo na, pakita ko na lang sa inyo. Put away lang namin. Painit na pala ako dito na skillet kasi 4 o'clock na. Lulutuin ko na yung burger ni Johnny Boy at ng mga bata. Ayan siya, oh. Tapos press lang natin siya. Kasi Si mama ay mag-order pa siya dyan ng ano. Ng... Tawag na? Chips. How many you want, Han?
Well, you know,
2 each.
2.
just cook them all over.
Alright.
Put the rest in the fridge.
Okay, lutuin daw to lahat. 10 pieces to.
Yeah, that's like a big shop. I don't know that healthy.
Wala ko yung pang-press. Yun ang wala ako. Kailangan kong bumili nun. Yung pinipress siya habang niluluto. Hey, check, Han.
Yeah, what?
I think it's alright now.
Just a hard one. Well, just cut.
Yeah,
in half.
see? No
Right, I
blood.
reckon it is.
No blood. See?
Cut it.
See? It's all good. See? There's no blood. One. Maglagay akong lemon sa aking ice para bukas may lemon yung ating ice.
Are you gonna use both?
Yeah?
Are you gonna use both sides?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Where's your
tayo
chef
dito.
hat?
Ayan.
Find that book, Mum.
Ha?
Find that book.
What book? Ah, the recipe book?
Oh, Mom, you're gonna put lemon in it?
Yes. What, those up? Okay, he can pour the water. Ayan. We'll see tomorrow. First time kong gagawin yan. Maglagay ng lemon. Here, baby. Can't see you. Okay, put water. Don't spill it.
That's right. I know.
And then we're gonna put this in the microwave.
I find the book.
Okay? Good. Oh, we'll see. So, yun yung itsura niya.
You want pack of potato?
Yes, please.
No, that's not clear. That's Zachary and Holly.
I'm not really.
That's Zachary.
Yeah, no, Zachary.
What are you doing with them?
Give it to me.
Do you want pepper, Holly?
So, ito na yung burgers. So, okay. So, wala tayong mashed potato. Nandito na yung... Ito, ang sarap nito, guys. Ito yung the best French fries dito. Walang sinabi yung ano, McDonald's. Kay kuya na lang. Na-air sa hinintay namin. Sarap. Sarap. Are you hungry, kuya? Like, kuya nagpe-prepare ng table. How many burgers? Two? Dalawa. Tomato sauce to, kuya, please. 2 for you. I think this is enough now, yeah? You don't want like...
Which one's the tomato sauce?
They're all the same.
You gotta add all the things.
Gustong eggs ni kuya ganito. Minsan, gusto niya rin ng runny. Depende sa mood niya yata. Si kuya ayaw. Ako sa akin ito. Ito yung kay Johnny Boy.
Thank you, yeah.
Welcome. Alright. Yung yolk, ayaw ni Sak ng yolk, so sa akin yung yolk. Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's kuya. Kaya na, chips, honey.
You hungry? Cool, yeah.
Holly, you want chips?
Yes, please.
So ngayon, mag-chips tayo. Saturday naman.
Oh, yeah.
Gusto ko sana magluto ng scallops. Toasting. Pero asap kasi ng chips. Zach, do you want chips?
Why are you hungry, Zach?
Because it's been eating.
What are you donating, Jack? Sush.
Alright, all good.
Weather.
Ang pangit ng weather, guys. As in, parang may bagyo. Ito yung masarap kumain ng mga inunon. Gulay na may gata. Ay, speaking of gulay na may gata, mayroon ako ditong crabs. Pigilan ng sarili. Okay, kain muna kami, guys. Ito sa akin yung tostado. Tostado. Oh, Papa, come on! Ayan, dinner time. Ay! Zachary, Holly. Walang burgers din ako. Zach, you want burger one? Okay.
Huh?
Where are they, hon? Boys.
Yeah, right.
Better than another one we've got cold.
What is babe?
Woolies or whatever it is.
Is it more veggies?
No. You said you don't want. Si Zach maki veggies.
I thought you were gonna give me that.
No, I
Not like that small.
But she said you're not hungry. Tapos na silang kumain and ayan na si Jan. I-oven niya na yung dessert.
Oh, I love it.
Nana's, what's that?
Nana's apple pie.
Nana's apple pie. Ando na siya. Sarap ng dinner. Ayan yung mga plates nila. Tanggalin na ni Johnny Boy. Ako hindi pa ako tapos. Ayan yung ginagawa nila.
I'm making Christmas, Easter.
What? That's too many.
Me?
No, Holly saying. Okay, tapusin ko lang yung kinakain ko. Not ready?
Just another 5 minutes. I'll just pump it up a bit now. What do I normally do? This from a sushi roll, do yeah.
Just go.
Nagugas muna ako.
Hot dada?
Excuse me, ba?
Is it?
It just needs a bit.
Just turn it up. It will.
No, I just need a little bit of burntness. Like just a little bit hard.
Why didn't you just get crumble pie?
This one here. Look, here we go, Phil. Last lap. Come on, Ozzy. Push it out now. Push it out. Push it out. I'm gonna. I'll put my gloves on. Just a little bit of crunch on the outside, Holly.
You want that brown like that brown?
Well, just a little bit. Get that bit of flavour, a bit of burnt flavour with the apple, you know.
Baba daw. It's hot.
Very hot, bub. Very hot.
Gusto niya ganyang ka-burn.
Oh, ice cream gone.
Not yet because you have to cool it down a little bit.
The 9-time Olympic medalist taking time fans, also revealing he's been working as a labourer since his return.
Me first, Dad.
This is me.
That's
What, how much do you want?
Yeah, about there.
That's that. Oh, yeah.
This one there.
The 26-year-old now has his sights set on making history at his 4th Olympics in LA in 2028.
Australian track cyclist Emily Petricola has elevated herself to...
I want ice cream. That's enough?
A lot of ice cream, please. Bob?
It's alright.
I want old flavoured one.
Yeah, cream?
Yeah, but all that, Dad. You having all that?
Oh? You don't want cream? Yeah. You don't want cream.
Dad, this is good.
I know, baby.
Say it in Tagalog. Huh?
Salamat po.
Wow, babe.
I was just joking because I want to put it on.
You said you don't want a cream.
Yes,
That's enough. All flavor nut?
yeah, I'll go.
I'll do it. That one? Go.
Look how fast they're going.
Honey. Okay, that's enough.
No, I've got no vanilla, babe. I've got, look how much
One.
vanilla.
You know what I should have got at Woolworths?
I'll do it. What?
Custard.
That's enough. Okay?
Put that off on the
Yes, sir. Yeah. Good night na. Yun na yung vlog natin for today. Maglilinis na lang kusina. Tapos ako magugas. Yun na lang naman siya dito. So, thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night, guys. Enjoy your dessert, kids.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I